Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the GoPro's the strap. Got it out here in the field and we'll give it a test. I found that when I use the strap there, it's best to use a real thin light glove. I use these little glove inserts. That way it seems to be more stable and more comfortable on my hand. Also, like riding the motorcycle, I always like to wear a glove. So let's go ahead and go down the highway and try it out. Strap seems to work pretty well. It doesn't hinder any of my operation on the motorcycle. I can still corner just as well. With the strap, then you can change directions there of the camera real easy, get unique views. Yeah, see the swivel on the strap there allows for front and rear filming, so that's a very convenient item. It also is well made, so it's very stable, not loose, but loose enough to make it easy to move. In conclusion, I think the strap is a good item. It adds to my inventory of things to use. It is a little difficult if it's your single camera, but for a secondary camera you can get unique shots and add to your videos. So yes, I'd buy the product again. I think it's well made and use it in the future. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.